Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by pulling down twice from the top to reveal quick settings. This gives direct access to tiles without digging through menus. Next, tap the edit or pencil icon to enter tile customization so you can add the recorder. Make sure to scan the hidden tiles area. The recorder is often there. Once added, you can launch it quickly from quick settings. This saves time and avoids searching through apps when you need to capture something fast. Once done, open the screen recorder tile so you see its UI and settings. You must grant permissions for microphone and storage to record audio and save files. Make sure display over app permissions are enabled so the recorder overlays controls during capture. Then configure resolution, frame rate, and orientation to match your needs. Higher resolution means larger files. If you plan commentary, enable microphone and adjust volume levels. These steps ensure recordings are usable straight away. Now you're ready. Tap record and use the floating controls to pause or stop while you capture the screen. After stopping, the file saves to gallery, verify playback, trim if needed, and share directly. If recording fails, reboot the phone first, then confirm permissions and that battery saver or data restrictions aren't blocking background recording. Make sure MIUI is updated. Outdated system components often break features. If problems persist, clear recorder app data or test in safe mode to isolate conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.